Shipping your orders is an important part of online retail and sales. Unless you have a brick-and-mortar store, customers need to have a way to be able to receive the items that you sell. That's why Webgility offers access to our shipping module, which gives you the ability to handle shipping labels and processing all within the Webgility software. In Webgility Desktop, you can connect your shipping carriers to print labels and manage workflows for all shipping within one module of the software. Process shipments in groups or through orders individually if desired. You can create your own shipping rules and workflows, giving you control over what shipping methods are used in specific orders or quantities. This tool is great for those who don't want to have to manage shipping outside of Webgility and would prefer to keep everything in one place. If you use QuickBooks Shipping Manager, Shipping Easy, or ShipStation, you can connect Webgility to those applications and pull in data as orders and shipping are processed. This allows you to pull in shipping rates and information directly to Webgility to post into accounting, rather than having to do it manually through those shipping applications respectively. Click the link in the description for a full write-up on shipping workflows, and subscribe to the channel for future videos. You can also go to help.webgility.com for a full library of how-tos and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching.